Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use qualifiers in DaVinci Resolve. Qualifiers are powerful tools that let you select and isolate specific parts of your image based on color, saturation, or luminance. This allows for incredibly precise adjustments, ensuring your color grades are targeted and impactful. You can easily enhance a sky, change a specific object's color, or brighten a face without affecting other elements. It's a fundamental technique for professional-looking video. To begin, head over to the color page in DaVinci Resolve and locate the qualifier palette. Here, you'll find three main types: HSL for hue, saturation, and luminance, 3D for more complex color spaces, and Luma for brightness. For most tasks, the HSL qualifier is an excellent starting point. Simply grab the eyedropper tool and click on the specific color or tone you wish to isolate in your image. Once you've made an initial selection, it's time to refine it. Utilize the hue, saturation, and luminance sliders to precisely define your target range. The clean black and clean white controls are invaluable for smoothing out the selection and removing any unwanted noise or stray pixels. Remember, you can always add more to your selection or subtract unwanted areas using the plus and minus eyedropper tools for ultimate control. With your precise selection made, you can now apply any color corrections, adjustments, or effects directly to that isolated area. For even more localized control, consider combining your qualifier with a power window to restrict the effect to a specific shape within your qualified region. Always use the highlight mode to visually confirm your selection, ensuring you're only affecting the intended parts of your footage for a polished final look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.